Hi. Welcome to another video. And today I'm going to teach you how to create an AI film. And I don't want to waste time talking too much about me or the introduction. Let's get started. It's going to be multiple parts, right? It's going to be part one, part two, part three, maybe. Uh, I would say so. Why part? Because there are a lot of nuances in Morphic that I want to cover. And today's tool, what we're going to cover is going to be Morphic, morphic.com, which is one of the leading, or let's say, next generational AI filmmaking tool. Um, it's one of the best AI filmmaking tool I've ever used, right? Because I do a lot of AI film, uh, and in fact, I can show you some of my work. I think that's the best thing I can do right now. Yeah. So this is the basic trailer I created in like just 12 minutes. Like not even 12 minutes. I just took 3 minutes. Sorry. Yes, that's it. So it was just a simple trailer I made, but you can do way more than this. So um, uh, recently 1 billion summit happened. Google's AI film festival happened, and a person won $1 million just by creating AI film using very limited tools, right? And what I'm trying to tell you is you can use the same tool. So the only skill you need to do that is what I'm going to cover today, right? How to uh, use AI to ideate your script. See, script and the story should come from you guys. Very simple, right? Image creation, video creation, audio creation, um, character consistency, and I would say first uh, frame to frame edit. That's the right way, right? These are the 5 or 6 basic things that we're going to cover today, and it's going to be very simple. Just follow along, and you're going to see how you can create an amazing film by the end of this video. Yeah, let's get started. So make sure that you sign up, and right now to do a demo with me, you can use the free plan for sure. But if you are if you want to take this seriously and start creating good quality AI films, you need to minimum have standard or pro, right? But free is ideal for you. Yeah. Now what you're going to do is very simple. Just go to the platform. This is my dashboard. So sorry, there are a lot of films I create during my free time. But let's say demo two. Okay. Now this is the canvas, right? Now this is an infinite canvas. And why canvas is so important for AI filmmaking? Because you get control over each and every shot. I will show you an example. For example, I recently did uh, Ramayana because I love Indian mythology stories. So I did Ramayana trailer as such. Like I want to do a very simple trailer, but also very effective as such, right? Now, if you see, it's like a canvas, right? I have all the shots with me, what I wanted here, right? And then I have the uh, but all the particular scenes, important scenes I've taken from there and I've done it, right? Again, it was a simple process. I wanted to do it and I did it in few minutes. That's the idea. But again, right now I'm introducing Morphic to you step by step, and eventually in the next series I can go detail by detailing on how we can do it, right? So now we finish this. We will create. That is why these aspect of canvas is needed. That is why I wanted to show you that. Um, Initially it can be a little intimidating, but after a point of time you cannot live without a canvas, because yeah, you need canvas. You cannot do this input output like normally VO3 what you do, right? So let's start. For ideating, what is the first thing with ideating what we do is Copilot. Copilot is an inbuilt LLM they have. I mean, It's they use other LLM models also, but it is the best place to ideate for me. You can do it in GPT, Gemini, or any other LLMs you want. But for me, Copilot is more comfortable because everything is right there, and I can just add anything from here to Canvas immediately. Right. So right now, create a short story of a boy losing his parents in a carnival, and he follows a light and travels towards the light. I mean, I'm randomly writing it down, and he finds that he has been time traveled to the past. Right. So again, a very random story. I don't know. I don't know why I came up with this, but I what I want to show you is you can use Copilot to create a story. Yeah, the light beyond the carousel. Okay, great. So look at this. It gave scene by scene, right? Scene one, scene two, scene three, scene four, which is great, right? Now, one of the major problem in image prompting is, I mean, image creation is prompting, right? Because uh, it's hard, right? Like every time you cannot get that desired prompt for you, so you always have to figure it out. And if you don't have an experience in prompting, then it doesn't make sense, right? So now create a 20 scenes from here. I don't need image generation. I just need short divisions with image prompts, right? So I asked it to create a 20 scene thing, which is easy for you. So scene one, scene two, scene three, it creates a prompt basically, which I can copy paste to the canvas, which is absolutely simple to do. Got it? So so you will have all the 20 coming in, right? Meanwhile, to edit, you can use Compose here. Now, Compose is an editing timeline as such, right? But again, it's optional. You can use Edit, you can use Compose, or if you're an editor, whichever software you use, right? Right. So we've got all the scenes now. Yeah. So let's start creating image. I think we have covered the how to ideate now. Let's start creating one by one. Now, before creating, you have to maintain a character. Matlab, ideal character, I would say, right? There are two ways you can do it. Matlab, your script is ready now. Um, okay. Uh, Now let's go to Canvas. Just paste what you want to do. Yeah. Okay, so it is given a description for me. A joyful 10-year-old boy with thousand brown hair work hand in hand with his parents through. Okay, I will say a close up of joyful 10-year-old boy who I will remove the parents from here. Yep. I'm just generating a picture. I'll show you how to create a character consistency from here. Okay. Uh, Boom. I think we got the image right. Right. Now, this is the character I want to keep it all the time. Like I want to maintain a consistency for this character. So what I do, I click on it. I click on character model, right? And I name, let's say, Devin. I don't know why I came up with the name. Right. So what does Morphic do here? It creates a full 360-degree face shots of your character so that you can maintain consistency. Now I'll tell you how to use it, how to use this in the coming shots. Right. This is perfect. I got Devin at blue. He's wearing always blue. Great. Perfect. Now I got the Devin. Okay. That is one character. Now I am using the same prompt, that is the first prompt. Um, I am pasting it. Close up of his mother wears yellow sundress. Yeah, yellow sundress. That's enough, right? Let's get the characters right first. Yeah. Okay. I've got another image that is a lady who looks like mother. I hope she looks like mother. Yeah. And then now just click on it again. Right click on it. Okay, and you will have a create model here, character model. I would say Devin M, mother, right? Um, or I would say mother. That's enough. That's easy to understand, right? Create model. It will create, right? Let's just try it again if it does not. Okay, it'll create now. So the last time something wrong happened. Yeah. So again, what I'm trying to say is you can. This is how a Morphic creates a characters model. Now, if you want to add your own image, for example, no, I want the mom to look like this. So there is an option here, your image. Just click on it, add your image, and just delete this and add your image, and boom, your mom is ready, right? I mean, the character mom is ready, right? So the whole idea is that you can modify your character however you want, right? That is the idea. Mom, that model will be ready, right? Now, a close up of I've got a father's. He wears a blue jeans, pointy blue shirt and jeans. Okay, of father, right? I think it's easy. Again, it creates. Again, if you want to add your own inspirational picture, you can add it. So these three are the characters I've got. So I'm just keeping it up right here so that right, so you get an idea about how this is going to work. I've got the characters now. Finished creating the characters, right? Now the next step is to start creating the scenes, what you want to create. So then let's start from image one, right? And what does the image do? A very 10-year-old boy. Yes, a joyful 10-year-old boy. So a joyful 10-year-old at the rate Devin. Simple. Carnival, he wears with his parents, right? His mom wears a yellow sundress, and his father, so instead of father, dad. Simple. Now let's see how it goes. So that's how you add your characters inside the image. It's very simple, right? I just took the prompt, I put it, I just put at the rate, your trained model or the characters will come there. And that's pretty much, and look at the image. And that again, I'm able to tag multiple characters in one prompt. So it's as simple as that, right? No, again, I'm telling you, the creativity is your call. It's fine, absolutely fine, right? You can work on that. You can work on the storytelling. That is absolutely that is human part. That is the intent part. Here in the AI part, it's just getting easier and easier, right? That's awesome. Boom! Look at that. That's awesome, right? I got the first image. Great. Now let's create the second image, right? Just copy it, paste it. The same 10-year-old Devin with those brown hair, mesmerized. He stares behind. Okay, perfect. So let's, right, again, another image, right? So meanwhile, while all these images are creating, let's give, let's put all the images at go. So let's not waste time for one image to come, right? Right? And that's pretty much how it works. So we finished image creation, right? Perfect. Right. Now I want to convert all the images to video. Right. Now again, as I told, there is a lot of Photoshop aspect to it. You can edit the image, you can edit the video. That we will do in the part 2. But right now, let's just understand the basics, right? How to create an image, how to create a video, how to create an audio, and how to patch, right? Now in video, right, just click on it, click on video and say he is scared and the camera zooms out. So it's very important to write some camera motions, and if you want to know the camera motions, just go to Google and type give me all the camera movement names for prompts, right? 16 camera movements you can use it for. So a lot of pan right, pan left, you can see. So again, a lot of terminology is there. You can use it however you want. I clicked on 720p. I clicked on View 3.1, which is, that's my favorite model. Audio off, because I want to control over the audio, and audio I'll tell you how to do it later. And I created the video, right? Now the same thing here. I clicked on video. I clicked on 720p. I clicked on he's showing the hand. Both the parents look towards the direction he's showing. That video is also done, right? Now I can convert this to video. 3.1. He's shocked and he stops by to see what is there. That is also done, right? Now again, 720p, audio off. I say he leans towards the light and tries to touch, and then suddenly the light blows up. Let's make it more sci-fi. So you understood, that's very simple way to create. Now again, as I told, these are infinite canvas. You can arrange however you want to, right? So let's say I have arranged all the images in one side, correct, and the video is in the other side, right? So I'm just keeping it here as better. So here itself you can create a storyboard, like how you want to go over the aspect and right. So this is more like a small storyboard I created from scene 2, scene 3, scene 4 and all that, right, which becomes easy for you. Now the video has been created. I mean, of course, View 3.1, an amazing model, inside Morphic, having the control, amazing shot this is. So this is great for me to use it, right? Yeah, done. So I think all the videos are getting generated. Now, as I told, now that was video generation, right? Now, let's say I wanted a transition. Now, how to create video you got to know, right? Now that was video creation, right? Character consistency also be finished, right? Now let's do frame to frame edit, then we'll go to audio creation. Now you all got to know how to create an image to video, very simple, right? Or you can prompt it here itself. Whatever video you want to create, you can prompt it, because you have the characters. I always prefer image to video so that I get the control. Now let's do frame to frame edit, right? Now just click on the attach button here, click on video, select on canvas. So I'm going to select, for example, start from this picture, then I'll go to this picture, then I'll go to this picture. Just click on it. So what is it showing? That from here to here to here, there is a transition where 4.5 seconds each clip will play, right? Now create a smooth transition from the first frame to last frame, right? Again, this is necessary when you want a continuity of a shot. For example, I ended my last scene with a particular shot. From that scene itself, I want to start another shot, and I want to do a different transition to another shot, right? So all this is helpful for frame to frame. So if you see, all the videos are getting ready, all the videos are absolutely ready, not to worry on that, and the frame to frame is going on. Meanwhile, let me just talk about the audio. So of course you can use VO 3.1 with audio, but it is not in your control. I always say it's better to, if you are a power user, that if you really want to use AI filmmaking in the nicest way, use it in a way where you can use it, you have the control over all the material, that is audio to image to video to prompts, so that you know your story really well. So for audio, I use again Morphic to create audio itself, right? Now for example, just go to the prompt bar, click on audio and click on music here, right? Any music, suspense, sci-fi, thriller music, right? I will want a duration of 30 seconds. Yeah, I don't want vocal, just the music is enough. I start generating the music also meanwhile. So music is ready, you can just listen to it. That was actually good. Pretty good, right? This is nice. There's a curiosity building here, so I like this, right? Now you have got the image, you have got the audio, you have got the video also, right? Now if you want to add sound effects, I click on it, there is a button here, add audio track, right? A crowd sound of carnival, right? It'll create add audio track. You're able to hear? So again, that's a sound effect that I added. Optional, absolutely optional to add. However, because I like SFX, that is sound effects, and I like to add that. This is pretty much how you get your first canvas ready, your videos, your pictures and your audios, right? And that is what we've covered today, your audio creation, okay, and your frame to frame edit, which is yet to be generated. It takes a little time, but this is pretty much how you can create your first set of. Now our frame to frame is ready. Now you can have a look, so you'll see what I mean by these frame to frame changes, right? This is a great intro shot if you see. It's awesome. right? It's more like a very sci-fi stuff out there, right? I think I'll have to increase the duration, then maybe I can fix, have more control. But yeah, this is pretty much so I'll just wrap up how what I started with. First, I started with 3 characters, right? Random story, and I bought these characters to these images of all my short divisions, right? And then I converted them to video, and I wanted a frame to frame edit, which that also I did here, right? Then I created a sci-fi music for it. Then I created a sound effects for each scene by adding this button. Simple step, right? Now, depending on the story and how from where did I get these shots, I went to Copilot. I asked the Copilot to give me a story, a random story. I gave each scene much how the whole Morphic looks like, and this is the baseline, right? This is the start layer. We can go more deeper in the next part, but for this video, that's it, and I'll be back with the part 2 where we break down even more in detail so that you have the complete control over the shots and you can create good film. By the end of the third part, for sure, we'll be creating a film with that is continuous shot, there is a scene continuity, frame continuity, style, that is color correction, a character, outfits, how do you want to change all that, so everything, it's going to be great in terms of that. So thank you for watching till here. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I'm slowly starting in YouTube in terms of tutorial. I'm planning for podcast also, and I want to start with Morphic because I've got a lot of questions regarding Morphic. So I will finish these 3 parts and I will do more of long videos. And if you want me to do a tutorial on any other tool, let me know. Just comment below and I will do that for you guys, right? So thank you so much. Oh snap, something went wrong. Great. So thank you so much. I will see you all soon in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.